Makadini, welcome back to Shona Land, and today I'll be taking you through letter Y from the Shona alphabet and combining it with the Shona vowels. Okay, so as a recap, we say the Shona alphabet consists of consonants and vowels, and the vowels are the letters that determine how you pronounce all Shona words. And this is how you pronounce the vowels. We've got A, E, O, U. Okay, so now combining the letter Y with the Shona vowels, this is how you pronounce it. So when you combine Y with the vowel A, it's Ya, 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 Ya. When you combine it with the vowel A, it's Ye, Ye, Ye. When you combine it with E, it's Yi, Yi, Yi. When you combine it with O, it's Yo, Yo, Yo. When you combine it with U, it's You, You, You. So we have Ya, Ye, Yi, Yo, You. Okay, now giving you sample words that start with this combination. We've got for Ya, we've got Yanwa, Yanwa. That's drank. It's like the past tense of drink. So Yanwa, that's drank. If it's the present tense, is Inwa, that's drink. So here it's Yanwa, drank. Okay. Ye, Yese, Yese, Yese. Everything. Yese. Yi, Yimba, Yimba, Yimba. That's sing in English. So singing, it can also be said Imba without the Y. It will also mean sing. So, but here we're using a Y. We've got a Y. It's Yimba, Yimba. That's sing. Yo, Yose, Yose. That's all in English. All. You, Yuira, Yuira, Yuira. That's cry in pain when we translate that word in English. Yuira. So Ya, Yanwa, Ye, Yese, Yi, Yimba, Yimba, Yimba. Yo, Yose, You, Yuira, Yuira. And this brings us to the end of this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to leave a comment, like our video, and subscribe to our channel. See you in the next video, where I'll be explaining the last letter of the Shona alphabet, which is letter Z, and combining it with the Shona vowels. Thank you for watching. Ndatenda.